There is actually a case out of upstate New York that is a federal case. It was a federal First Amendment case involving a gentleman who gave a cop the finger and got arrested for assault for flipping a cop off. Now, this is kind of a dumbass thing to do, and I surely do not endorse this behavior for a variety of reasons. But it ultimately, the case went up to the federal Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court came back and said, no, that's protected speech. You cannot arrest a person for giving a cop the finger. So you do, in fact, have a legal right under the Constitution and First Amendment free speech. You have a right to give the cops the finger. I don't recommend doing it. I think it's a dumb idea, but you can do it. And I want to tell this story less to talk about First Amendment issues, but it's kind of a lead up to a point I want to make. Um, don't make shit personal with the cops. If you are getting a ticket or you're getting arrested or you have an unfavorable encounter with law enforcement of any kind, don't make it personal, especially on little piddling crap. Like if you're getting ticketed, don't make it personal. Because here's the thing. The cops, first of all, most of those tickets are written and end up being referred to municipal court in Oklahoma. And the cops, especially in small towns, they talk to the prosecutors. And it may also get back to the judge. And it can mean the difference between getting a deferral or getting hammered for full fines and costs and getting points on your license. Or getting your license yanked if they got you for something serious. So, it's stupid to mouth off and be disrespectful. Yes, you have a right to do it. And if all you're doing is running your mouth and being disrespectful, that's not a crime. Assuming, of course, you don't end up admitting to anything else, they shouldn't arrest you for that. But you're going to make it personal with the cop, and if they know you're breaking like some kind of law and it's some little petty crap, and it's discretionary on them if they want to write it or not, or they want to arrest you or not. If you're a disrespectful fool, they're going to bust you for whatever they can get you for. And I'm here to tell you, if a cop really wants to arrest you or they really want to write you a ticket, they can probably come up with some excuse to do it. Now, you may very well beat that in court later. And certainly you get a good lawyer, I'm sure you will beat it. Because the lawyer is going to it's going to show the court what it is, that, you went and made it personal with a cop. So, of course, they busted you. But you know what what happens when you do that is you get to pay someone $1,000 or more to go do that for you. So that middle finger, that snarky remark, that cuss word just cost you a boatload of money. And that's a cop who, if they do have you dead to rights on something, he's going to show up to court and make sure you get hammered. So the long and short of it is, don't be disrespectful to cops. It's stupid. It is. It's really stupid. It's a good way to make it an unpleasant experience a hell of a lot worse. A lot of people that get popped for criminal charges on things like public intox because they were being an asshole, because they were disrespectful. So don't act that way. Most cops got better things to do than mess with you if you've had a few too many at the bar and you're walking home. When you get in trouble for that is because you were being a jerk. So I can't say it enough. Don't be disrespectful to cops. It's stupid. And I mean, if you are dealing with a situation where you got ticketed or you got arrested and you need help, go to makelaweasy.com.